Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix if can't receive text messages on Realme Narzo Power. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so just click and hold side power button, restart device, and you will see restart device from here. After restart device, go back to home screen. After restarting, you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check your internet connection is work properly. After check internet connection is work properly. Go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps and click on app management. After click on app management, scroll down and search messages app from here. Click on messages app. Click on storage usage. If you want to fix this problem, click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix if can't receive text messages on Realme Narzo Power. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.